Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Google Wallet not showing cards. Okay, so first things first, Google Wallet needs an active internet connection to sync your cards. So make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or has mobile data turned on. The first thing I'd like you to do is to close the Google Wallet app completely and reopen it. Now, sometimes a simple restart refreshes the app and brings your cards back. The next step is to check if your Google Wallet app is up to date. So open the Google Play Store, search for Google Wallet and tap Updates if available. Running the latest version ensures you have the newest fixes and features. If cards still don't show, clearing the app's cache can help. So go to your phone settings, tap Apps and Notifications, tap See All Apps, tap Google Wallet, tap Storage and Cache. Select Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, you can try Clear Storage or Data, but note that this will reset the app and you'll need to sign in again. The next step is to make sure you're signed into the correct Google account associated with your Google Wallet. You can switch accounts by tapping your profile picture in the app's top right corner. Here, tap there and click on Switch Accounts and switch from there. Now, sometimes cards won't show in Wallet if there's an issue with your payment method. So visit pay.google.com on a browser, sign in and verify your saved cards are still active and valid. If a specific card isn't showing, try removing it and adding it back. Open Google Wallet, select the card from the home page, tap the three dots menu and choose Remove Payment Method. Then add the card again via the plus Add to Wallet button at the bottom right corner of your screen. If all else fails, contact your card issuer or Google support for help. Sometimes card verification issues or regional restrictions can cause display problems. Ensure your device software is up to date. Sometimes OS updates fix compatibility issues. Then restart your device occasionally to clear background glitches. And that's it. Hopefully your cards are back in Google Wallet ready for easy payment. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.